Integration errors on Thinkific Plus can be frustrating, but with a systematic approach, you can resolve them quickly. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix common integration issues. Step 1. Check your integration settings. Ensure that all your integration settings are correctly configured. Go to the Integrations section in your Thinkific dashboard and verify that the API keys, webhooks, or any other required credentials are entered accurately. Step 2. Review error messages. Take note of any specific error messages you receive. These messages can provide clues about what is going wrong. Look for common issues such as authentication failures or missing data. Step 3. Test the connection. Use the test feature available in your integration settings to check if the connection is working properly. This will help you identify if the issue lies with Thinkific or the third-party service you are trying to integrate with. Step 4. Clear cache and cookies. Sometimes browser cache and cookies can cause issues with integrations. Clear your browser cache and cookies, then log back into Thinkific and try the integration again. Step 5. Contact support. If the above steps do not resolve the issue, reach out to Thinkific's support team or the support team of the third-party service. Provide them with detailed information about the error and the steps you have already taken to troubleshoot. By following these steps, you should be able to identify and fix integration errors on Thinkific Plus effectively. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance.